Alrighty, mateys. I'm going to show you a tour of my room in Harrah's, Las Vegas. This is some stuff I bought. A doll from one of the twins here from the car show. There's a program guide, $25. This was only $9.95. This plushie here, down, also $9.95 or $10.95. Got a circus. I already brought this fox with me. I am a foxy lady. Here's a basic telly. This is a mini fridge. Take anything, it will cost you mystery amount. I guess you can scan it and find out what it costs. Usually they're quite high. My past experience. So bear that in mind. Nice painting. Nothing super exciting. The captain was going to go with us, with me rather. So that's well, there's two beds here, but she didn't. Right, so alright, now let's let the real fun begin. Let's see, there. Oh yes, of course. There's the desk here. Not enough of these USB switches as I like. Nice table, chairs. But now let's let the fun really begin here, eh? I will show you why this is so cool here. It's really cool. Not cool, but you know, cool. Not out there. See nothing. But if we open the veil, we will get ding, ding, a pretty decent view here. One of the best views I've had at Harrah's actually. If we look out here, we will see scissors, mostly reforms, which is like a shopping mall basically. And back there will be Rio, more scissors, cosmopolitans back there somewhere. Down below there is the pool for Harrah's. It's closed apparently. And back down over there is there's a outdoor bar and concert venue for Harrah's. The link is down next to it. Anyway, the Blanche over there too. Pretty good placement here. We're quite close by to the Flamingo. Yes, of course, to the link, and also one of the smaller casinos. What is that? Not Casino Royale. It is Casino Royale, which has a hotel, Best Western. A lot of cheap stuff. It's got a few restaurants there, a little food court. There's McDonald's next to there. I think that's open 24 hours. Oh yes, White Castle is inside the Casino Royale. Well, anyway, I've done enough talking. Enjoy the view. Yes. Okay, like, subscribe, stay foxy.